and welcome to the prebuilt solution demo between Salesforce and Adobe Sign. This prebuilt solution is available on the Oracle Integration Store. To find the solution, one needs to search for Adobe, and this is a solution that we are going to demo today. Documentation of this solution is pretty comprehensive. As you can see, it tells the process, the flow, how exactly this solution is handled slash built. So to get the solution, all you need to do is just click on Get. As you install the solution, it will be made available in the form of project. As we can see, by clicking install, we were able to get the solution in the project, and it shows all the components, integrations, connections, lookup, all from the one canvas. To save the time, I have configured the solution and activated. So let's go on. Here we are on the Salesforce. We have an opportunity. We are going to create an code here. So I'm going to quickly create a code by the name Cloud World Code and click on Save. As I've created the code, the next thing that is involved is I have to upload the code document. So I'm going to drop in the code document over here. As I have uploaded the document, next thing I need to do is I need to submit it in a review. As I submit into the review, as we can see over here, the flow is kicked off on the Oracle integration side. This flow basically sends a notification on to the user for the review. So here we can see the flow is executing right now. In a moment it will complete. Yes, flow has completed. So now we should receive an email, as we see here, to basically sign it. Here we are. We have received an email. So as I click on review and sign, I can click on the document and sign it. I'm just using my existing sign and typing in the name. And as I sign it and click on the sign in button, what is going to happen behind the scene is another flow is going to kick in. So if I go back to the observability and instance, I'll see the another flow has just now executed. This is a webhook flow, which is now taking the signed document and is going to update the Salesforce. So in a moment, we will see the signed document will be available on the Salesforce side. So as I refresh the screen, we will see that the signed document is now available. Here we are. We can see that the signed document is now available on the Salesforce side. Even on the details, we can see the information available. So signed document, if I open it up, this is the same document which we signed it. So if I just download and open it up, we'll see that same document is also attached on the Salesforce side. Let's now quickly look at how exactly we have built this solution. So for that, if I open up the first flow, which handled the outbound messaging from the Salesforce side, this was triggered over here. We saw that it got the attachment, and if the attachment exists, it basically read the file and then sent the file via the Adobe adapter and then updated the information on back onto the Salesforce side. And as user signed the document on the trigger side, as we received it, we are seeing if the document is signed, that is the status of the document is signed, we are fetching that document and then updating it back onto the Salesforce side. And that's how we were able to see the information on the Salesforce side. So that concludes my demo. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for your time.